In North Idaho news this morning, this week has been proclaimed Flood Awareness Week in the Gem State. Governor Brad Little designated March 16th to the 22nd to spread the awareness of flood dangers throughout the state. As temperatures warm up, snow melt and rain often leads to flooding, so the Awareness Week serves as a reminder for Idahoans to prepare for those risks. If you're interested in learning about flood preparation, visit floodsmart.gov. This as Governor Little issued a state disaster declaration for emergency efforts after flooding in Kootenai County. His office says rainfall and spring runoff in the 4th of July Creek has caused damage to floodgates and culverts near Dudley. Right now, officials are concerned additional runoff could create more intense issues for the floodgate structure and even the properties in the area. Lake Coeur d'Alene's water levels increased nearly 3 feet last month. Avista Utilities reports the elevation is about 3 feet below the summertime threshold, but they are expecting the elevation to vary this week because of storms. Avista says if the water overflows, the Post Falls Dam will be able to pass the extra water.